Hi students, good evening. In this video we will discuss about else if. What is else if? So in the previous videos we have completed the concepts of if statement as well as else if. In this video we will discuss about else if. What is else if? Yeah. Now before starting else if, let us see one simple example on if statement. Now here if you observe this program, here I have given here n equal to 1 and I have three conditional statements. If n equal to 1 it displays ONE1, if n equal to 2 displays TWO2, if n equal to 3 displays THREE3. So now let us see this example. Now let me trace this program. So n equal to 1, here the n value 1, if you want you can accept from the user also. You can see here n value is 1. Then 1 equal to 1 S enters into this block, displays 1. 1 equal to 2 false, 1 equal to 3 false, then return 1. Now here you can observe carefully. So what is the output for this program? ONE1. Now please observe carefully, ma. So here in this case the drawback I will tell you, the first condition is already satisfied. So once the condition is satisfied, the other conditions will not be true. But our program unnecessarily it is checking the other conditional statements. So once the first condition is satisfied, is there any possibility that other conditionals will be satisfied? No. But our program unnecessarily it is checking other conditional statements. To rectify this problem, else if has been introduced. Else if is nothing but, for first if we will add one else part. For first if we will add one else part, and for this if we will add one else part. Then after else, if there is an if statement, we call it as else if. Now the advantage, now see the same program here, save. Now let me trace the same program. N equal to 1, 1 equal to 1 S enters. Now control will not check other conditional statements. Output you can see here 1. This is else if. So here whatever the programs we have written in if statement, all we can write using else if. But the advantage is number of conditions checking will be reduced. So our execution of the program will be faster. Now let us see the syntax for else if. So else if is number of if else's we can write. If condition 1, then inside this if block some statements. Then again for this if write one else part. If condition 2, then here inside this set of statements. Again else if condition 3, then set of statements you can place. In this way you can have n number of statements, like n number of else ifs you can have. Then finally we can place else part. That is, if all the conditions are false, this else part will be executed. If all the above conditions are false, then this else part will be executed. That is else if. Okay, now let us see one small example using else if. Now open one new file. So here the program what we see here is program to find maximum of 3 numbers using else if. Maximum of 3 numbers using else if. Hash include stdio.h, then int main, then declare 3 variables a comma b comma c, accept 3 numbers from the user, printf, enter 3 numbers, then scanf %d %d ampersand a comma ampersand b comma ampersand c. This is accepting 3 numbers from the user. Then at the end return 1. So after accepting 3 numbers, now check the conditions. What is that? If a greater than b and a greater than c. Totally we have 3 numbers. Among 3 numbers, a is greater than, here a is greater than b as well as a is greater than c. Then what we can say here? Because a is greater than the other 2 numbers, we can display %d is max, comma a. Suppose, let us assume that this first condition is false. This total condition is false. Then what is the meaning of that? What we can say? A is not big. A is not big. Then which is big? B or C is big. Then here no need to check. In this case no need to check B greater than A, because if the first condition is false, then only it comes to this part, else if part. So you can display here printf %d is max /n comma b. Then finally, if the second condition is also false, if the first condition is false, A is not big. If second condition is false, B is not big. Now which is the remaining element? C is the remaining element. So directly you can display printf %d is max, then /n comma c, then end with semicolon. Here this is to find greatest among 3 numbers. Let me save this program. So max 3.c, then compile and run the program. Enter 3 numbers 30, 40, 35. Displays 40 is max. Okay. Thank you. For more videos, please subscribe and share with your friends and like the videos. Thank you.